How to make your first digital product with $0. When creating digital products, there are 4 tools I love using that all have a free plan. And in this video, I'm going to talk about one of those tools called Canva, which I use to create content for the 3 main types of digital products. Hi, I'm Klara Cu, CEO of Klara the Digital Empire, and I have coaches, consultants, and service providers like you add digital products to your business so you can make more money in less time. Now, Canva is my go-to tool because it makes it very easy to design any asset you can think of, even if you don't consider yourself a designer. That's because it has a simple-to-use drag-and-drop editor and a huge library of pre-made templates, images, and fonts. Now, I want to dive into how I'm using Canva to create those digital products. Let's start with the digital download, which is any instant access file like an ebook, a printable, or a template. So one of the first products I ever sold online was a Canva template. I'd made a 3-page brand kit template so that businesses could document how they want their brand to be presented across multiple platforms. After I had designed the pages in Canva, I was able to share a link to the template with customers so that they can access it and edit it within their own Canva account. You too can quickly create and sell a professional-looking template using the free design elements in Canva. Now, for online courses, I create training materials like checklists and workbooks to help students implement what I teach. I mentioned that Canva already has a lot of templates to choose from, so you don't have to start from scratch, but it's also really easy to design your own. Now, here's an example of a multi-page workbook that I had made for a health and wellness coach for her nutrition course. So here are all the little thumbnails of the different pages in her workbook. Now, with Canva, you can export any design as a PDF, which you can then upload to your course platform as part of the lesson. Finally, in a group coaching program, I'm often screen sharing a presentation while I'm teaching online. I love designing my slides in Canva, and here's an example of a masterclass presentation I gave about launching a course with a webinar. You can see all my different slides here. Canva also has a built-in screen recorder, so you can record yourself while presenting, and the video is automatically added to Canva's library. And then from there, you can make simple video edits like trimming the beginning or the end of the video. Now, this is really useful when you're making any pre-recorded content for your program. Overall, it's really convenient and efficient to use one tool to design the materials for all your products. I love how I can easily repurpose my designs. For example, a checklist page in one of my workbooks can easily be resized or used as a slide for a masterclass presentation. And remember, everything I showed you in this video is available in Canva's free plan. So you can go sign up for Canva today and try it out. There are 3 other free tools I use for digital product creation, and I mentioned them inside my free roadmap from custom service to digital product. I designed this in Canva. Comment the word roadmap and I'll message you a link to get this freebie.